Good evening, students. Now we are going to discuss few formulae, very important formulae related to profit and loss, which are very important and useful in solving the problems or sums related to profit and loss. Here are the formulae. The first one is if the selling price is more than the cost price. Definitely, as we discussed earlier, we will have a profit, and profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. This is one of the formula. The next formula we have selling price is equal to profit plus cost price, and cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. So these all are the formulae related to profit. Now let us come to the formulae related to loss. Here, when the cost price is greater than the selling price, or cost price is more than the selling price, in that case we used to have a loss. Now loss is equal to cost price minus selling price is equal to cost price minus loss, and cost price equal to loss plus selling price. So these are few formulae that are related to loss. Now the last and final formula is actual cost price when there is an overhead expenses. So this part also we have discussed at the end of the previous video, that is whenever we add the overhead expenses on the cost price, then we get the actual cost price of that item. So actual cost price of an item is equal to cost price plus the overhead expenses or the expenditure that is used or done on shipping or in transporting the objects and all. Okay, so actual cost price is equal to cost price plus overhead expenses. Now based on these formulae, we are going to solve the sums given in exercise 10.1. Here is the first question of exercise 10.1, where Surinder is a merchant who wanted to sell his vegetables, that is onions, potatoes, tomatoes, broccoli, cabbage and lemons. Now while selling, he wanted to prepare a table or chart of cost price, selling price, profit and loss, in which few of the cost prices of profit, loss, selling price and cost price is given to you, and you have to fill the rest or help Surinder to fill the rest of the prices. So let us come to the first item, that is onions. For onion, the cost price and the selling price is given, and you have to find whether he has the profit or loss. You have to find the profit or loss amount. Now you see, how could we decide whether he has a profit or loss? First of all, we have to check whether we have to compare cost price and selling price. Now by comparing cost price and selling price, we came to know that the cost price is rupees 10 and the selling price is rupees 13. This means the selling price is more than the cost price. So when the selling price is more than the cost price, what do we have? We have a profit, isn't it? Now how could we find the profit? We can find this profit simply by subtracting the cost price from the selling price. So rupees 13 minus rupees 10 will give you rupees 3 as the profit of Surinder by selling onions. Now let us come to the next item, that is potato. Now the cost price of potato is given and the profit of selling potato is given. So when cost price and profit is given, how will you find the selling price? The formula is selling price equal to profit plus cost price. So simply what you will do, you will add the cost price, that is rupees 9, plus the selling price, the profit rupees 2, and you will get rupees 11 as the selling price. Understood? Next we have the item tomato. Tomato selling price is given and profit is given. Children, you just go through the formula and we need to find the cost price. So how could you find the cost price when the selling price and profit is given? What we will do? We will subtract the profit from the selling price. Now subtract here profit from selling price. That is rupees 25 minus rupees 6 will give you rupees how much? 19. Okay, rupees 19. So what is the cost price of tomato? The cost price of tomato is rupees 19. Similarly, if you come to the next item, broccoli, the cost price is given and the loss is given here. Children, when there is a loss, come on, tell me, comparative to cost price, what will be the condition of the selling price? Definitely the selling price will be less than the cost price in the case of loss. So we are given cost price and we are given even the loss amount. So when cost price and loss amount is given, how will you find the selling price? We will find the selling price by subtracting loss from the cost price. So subtract loss amount from the cost price. That is 20 minus 3, you will get rupees 17 is your selling price of broccoli. Clear? Now we have the next item, cabbage. For cabbage, we are given the selling price, even we have a loss in the selling of cabbage, that is rupees 4. So we have to find the cost price here. Come on children, just have a look here to the formula of cost price when there is a loss and you are given the selling price. What we will do in order to find the cost price, simply we will add the loss amount and the selling price. The selling price is rupees 18 plus the loss amount is rupees 4 and you will get rupees 22. So what is the cost price of cabbage? Cost price of cabbage was 22 and he sold at rupees 18 and he had a loss of rupees 4. Next we have the lemon item, lemon. The cost price of lemon is given to you and the profit of lemon is given to you. Now children, when there is a profit and the cost price, then how will we find the selling price? The selling price can be bought by adding the cost price and profit. So simply add rupees 30 plus rupees 12 and get your selling price of lemons. So children, after knowing this formula, aren't they easy to find the cost price, selling price when there is a profit and when there is a loss? So this is the way how you will solve the first sum. But children, don't solve as I solved in this chart. You have to solve separately the cost profit for onions. Okay, here we are finding selling price for potato equal to, write the formula and even do the necessary calculation below the table separately. Okay, so this is the solution of question 1. We will discuss. Now let us discuss the second question of exercise 10.1. The second question is, Ayush buys an old computer for rupees 4,800. He spends rupees 700 on its repairs, and if he sells the computer for rupees 5,900, then you have to find his profit. So whenever you solve any problem related to profit and loss, first of all you read the question thoroughly. After reading the question, you just go through what are the data or the information is given about the cost price, selling price, profit or loss or even overhead expenses. Here in the question, the cost price is given 4,800 rupees. Overhead expenses, that is expenditure on repair of the TV, that will be your overhead expenses. It is rupees 700. Even you are given the selling price of TV, that is 5,900, and profit you have to find out. So when you start solving them, first of all write down the given data. After writing the given data, then you step into the next phase of the this sum, that is, as we are given the overhead expenses, then whenever you are given some overhead expenses in your question related to profit and loss, there in that case, first of all we have to find the actual cost price. The actual cost price will be sum of cost price of the item as well as the overhead expenses. Here the item is television. The cost price of television is 4,800 plus the overhead expenses is rupees 700. When you add them both, you are getting rupees 5,500. So the actual cost price of the television or the TV set is rupees 5,500. Now let us compare the cost price as well as the selling price. Here you see the cost price is 5,500 and the selling price is 5,900. This means it is completely confirmed that Ayush had a profit. Now profit, what's the formula for profit? Profit is selling price minus cost price. Here the cost price will be the actual cost price. Okay, the actual cost price you will subtract from the selling price. So rupees 5,900 minus 5,500 will give you rupees 400. So what is the profit of Ayush on selling the television? He had a profit of rupees 400. So children, I hope you understood this sum, how to solve it. Next we have question number 3, that is 100 oranges were bought for rupees 350 and sold at the rate of 480. Find the profit or loss. In this question, you are given the cost price is rupees 350 whereas the selling price is 480. Now tell me which is more, selling price or the cost price? The selling price is more than the cost price. That is 480 is more than 350. Now what do you have? We have a loss or we have a profit. When the selling price is more than the cost price, we had a profit. Now you have to find the profit amount. So this sum is a homework for you. So how will you find the profit here, children? You will find the profit by subtracting the cost price from the selling price. Okay. Now let us solve the question number 4. Shreya bought a second-hand car for rupees 80,000. She spent rupees 5,000 on its repairs and rupees 1,000 on transportation. She later sold it at a profit of rupees 21,500. At what price Shreya did sell the car? So here the cost price of the car is given, cost price of the second hand car is given, overhead expenses are given. There are two overhead expenses here, that is, one is the expenditure on repair of the car and the other is expenditure on the transportation. So in order to find the overhead expenses, we have to add the overhead expenses. Okay, so if you will add 5,000 and 1,000, you are going to get rupees 6,000. So here for this sum, the overhead expenses is equal to rupees 6,000. Next we have the profit. How much profit did he get by selling this second hand car is given to you, that is rupees 21,500. So what we need to find here, we are asked to find what is the selling price of that second hand car. Now as we are given the overhead prices and charges or expenses as well as the cost price, we are required to find the actual cost price of that car. So the actual cost price will be equal to cost price plus overhead expenses, that is rupees 80,000 plus 6,000. Rupees 80,000 and 6,000 is equal to rupees 86,000. So now the actual cost price of the car is rupees 86,000. Now what we want to find, we are going to find the selling price of the car. The selling price of the car, the formula for selling price when we had a profit is cost price plus profit. So here the cost price will be the actual cost price. So the actual cost price we got 86,000 plus he had a profit of rupees 25,000 or 21,500. When we add them both, we will get the selling price. So by adding 86,000 and 21,500, we get an amount of 1,07,500. So the selling price of the car of Shreya is 1,07,500 rupees. So this is the way how we will solve the sum. Now let us discuss the next sum, that is question number 5. A TV set is purchased for rupees 6,900 and sold for rupees 6,825 rupees. Find the loss. Children, once again I would like to remind you, whenever you are asked to find either profit or loss, first of all you compare the cost price and selling price and find out which is greater and which is smaller. Here if you will see the cost price of the television set, it is rupees 900. It is rupees 6,900 and the selling price is rupees 6,825, which is less than the cost price. Obviously when the selling price is less than the cost price, we will have a loss. So by applying the formula of finding loss, that is cost price minus selling price, you will find the value of or the cost of loss. The next question we have, Alka bought rice for rupees 56.25 paise and sold it at a price at a profit of 11 rupees 25 paise. What is the selling price of the rice? Children, here also you are given the cost price of the rice as well as the profit. So whenever you are given the cost price as well as the profit amount, how will you find the selling price? You have to follow the formula which are given to you in the earlier questions that we have solved. So when the profit and the cost price is given and we want to find the selling price, simply selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. So by adding these two, you can find the value of selling price. So question number 5 and 6 is a homework for you as well. Question number 7 is also a homework for you because it is also a direct question which you can which you can solve by applying a formula directly. That is, the 7th question is given, Ramita sold a washing machine for rupees 9,500 at a loss of rupees 700. So what is the cost price? So children, when we are having a loss, then definitely the cost price is more than the selling price. So how will you find the selling what we are asked to find? Cost price. How will you find the cost price when there is a loss? We will find the cost price by adding the selling price and loss. So first of all, you remember the formula. Using those formula, you have to solve these sums. While solving these sums, first of all, write the given data and then write down what you need to find. Next, you will write the formula which you need to find, using which you will find the required unknown value. So solve them step by step without leaving any of the step, and solve them, do them very neatly and clearly. Still, if you have any doubts, you can ask me through my personal WhatsApp number, or else we will discuss in the Google Meet class. Thank you.